Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair this 32-inch Xiaomi LED TV that came to us with a backlight OK only, no graphics problem. As you can see, the screen shows blank display width and there is no proper picture. As we discussed in our previous videos, these types of faults are mainly caused by internal shorting in the gate signal lines inside the LCD panel glass. The short circuit can occur either on the left side or the right side of the panel. If the gate signals on both sides are shorted, repairing the panel using the temporary panel fix method becomes very difficult. The permanent solution for this issue is always panel replacement. However, since panel replacement is often not economical, we use the gate signal cutting method as a temporary repair. Please note that we cannot predict how long the display will continue to work after this repair, as it completely depends on the condition of the panel and varies from case to case. So friends, let's begin the repair. This TV is equipped with a single COF ST3151A07 panel. Here you can see the gate signal tracks from both the left and right sides of the panel. As our first step, we decided to cut the left side gate signal tracks to identify the faulty section. After cutting all the left side gate signal tracks, we powered on the TV and checked the result. It produced a positive result. Now let's power on the TV and check the picture. As you can see, the display has returned to normal and the no graphics problem completely solved. The TV is now working properly with a clear and stable picture. The repair has been completed successfully. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to receive notifications of our upcoming repair videos. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.